A series of short stories about the wildlife on Honesty Lane Lagoon after the snowstorm. An hour before sunset, whitetail deer come out of the woods to feed in fields. They return to the forest about 2 hours after sunrise. On heavily overcast days you may find them feeding in fields any time during the day. A male deer, buck, is identified by the presence of antlers. Deer eat various foods in the winter, including nuts, fruits, crops, and plants. Acorns, high in fat and oils, deer will eat acorns throughout the winter as long as the snow isn't too deep. Deer are generally browsers, like goats, and not grazers, like cows or sheep. They do not need to get under the snow to eat, though they can and sometimes will. Deer physically prepares for the winter by better insulating their bodies. In the fall, deer gradually trade their summer hair coat for winter, consisting of thicker, longer, and darker hairs called guard hairs, while growing in much thicker undercoat. Deer also alter their behavior to survive the winter. They are generally less active, sometimes dropping their metabolism by half, which allows them to save energy and eat less. A series of short stories about the wildlife on Honesty Lane Lagoon after the snowstorm.